Ever wish your toilet could do more than just flush? Smart toilets are changing the game, blending cutting-edge technology with comfort, hygiene, and convenience. Let's explore how they work and why they might be worth the upgrade. What is a smart toilet? A smart toilet is the next-level bathroom upgrade designed for comfort, hygiene, and efficiency. Think automatic flushing, built-in bidets, heated seats, and even self-cleaning systems. These toilets don't just flush waste, they're packed with high-tech features to make your bathroom routine easier and more luxurious. Compared to traditional toilets, they offer a ton of automation and eco-friendly functions, turning your bathroom into a more comfortable and convenient space. Key features of smart toilets. Let's break down the standout features that make smart toilets a game changer. Automated flushing. Many smart toilets automatically flush when you're done, eliminating the need to touch anything, making the experience cleaner and more hygienic. Bidet function. One of the most loved features is the built-in bidet, offering adjustable water temperature, pressure, and nozzle position. It's a cleaner and more comfortable option than toilet paper, leaving you feeling fresh every time. Heated seats. No more cold seats on chilly mornings. Smart toilets often come with heated seats that you can adjust to your preferred temperature, making bathroom visits way more comfortable. Touchless lid. Operation. A motion sensor lifts and lowers the toilet lid automatically so you don't need to touch anything, which helps keep your bathroom clean, especially in busy households. Self-cleaning mechanism. Some models clean themselves using UV light or other sanitizing tech, ensuring everything stays fresh without manual effort. Deodorizing system. No need for air fresheners. Many smart toilets have deodorizing systems that neutralize odors, keeping the bathroom smelling fresh and clean. How does a smart toilet improve your bathroom experience? Smart toilets offer more than just fancy tech. They truly improve your bathroom experience. Enhanced hygiene. Thanks to features like automatic flushing, bidets, and self-cleaning functions, these toilets help reduce germs and bacteria, creating a cleaner environment. Convenience. With a smart toilet, you won't have to worry about flushing, cleaning, or adjusting temperature. Everything is automated, making your bathroom routine faster and more efficient. Comfort. Whether it's a heated seat for winter mornings or a customizable bidet wash, these toilets prioritize your comfort, ensuring every visit is a pleasant one. Eco-friendly. Many smart toilets use less water per flush and can reduce your toilet paper usage, making them a greener choice for your home. The drawbacks of smart toilets. Of course, smart toilets aren't perfect for everyone. Here's what to keep in mind. High initial cost. The price tag on these toilets can be steep, with the cost of purchase and installation often higher than traditional toilets. It's an investment, but one that may be worth it for some. Electricity dependency. These toilets rely on electricity, so if there's a power outage, your toilet may not function as intended. This could be a downside in areas with frequent blackouts. Complexity. The advanced features can be overwhelming for some. There might be a learning curve, and troubleshooting or maintenance may require professional help, which can be inconvenient for some users. Smart toilets combine luxury, convenience, and hygiene, offering a bathroom experience you never knew you needed. Ready to upgrade? Consider a smart toilet for a cleaner, more comfortable routine.